I found a simple way to earn daily USDT just by using your Bybit app. And I'm breaking it down step by step with proof. So if you are here for such updates, make sure you see this video from beginning to the end. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you will always be the first to be notified anytime I have a new video like this. So guys, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial. The first thing we have to do is for us to own our Bybit app. So if you don't already own a Bybit app yet, or you don't own a Bybit account yet, then you have to create one for yourself so that you can benefit from this update I'm about sharing with you. So to get started, I will log in to my Bybit app right now. And right here is my Bybit app. So right here on your Bybit app, like I said, make sure you download your Bybit app, make sure you create an account for yourself, and make sure your Bybit app is fully verified before you start this update I'm about sharing with you. Once that is done, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come right here to where it says P2P. First of all, you need to own your USDT. Everything we are going to be doing right on this update is going to be with USDT. USDT is a stable coin, and what we need for this update is a stable coin. Okay, come right here to where it says P2P trading. Right on this P2P trading, click on it, and what we are going to be doing right here, we need to purchase USDT from merchants, from verified merchants that are selling their USDT, and we can be using our fiat currency, that is NGN, to purchase this USDT from this merchant. Okay, as you can see right here, we have a lot of merchants that are ready to sell their USDT to us, and you can select from any of them right here. Make sure you check out their rating before you buy from any of these merchants, because there are some of these merchants that they are not really legit. Okay, so make sure you do not fall into the hands of any scammer. So once you check their rating, like this guy for example, his rating is around 99%, so it's not bad at all. This guy is good to go. If you want to purchase from any of these merchants, just make sure you check their rating. That is what is going to give you the assurance that okay, this guy is legit and this guy won't run away with my fund. Okay, so that is for that. Once you have successfully purchased your USDT from any of the merchants right here, and you have USDT in your Bybit trading account, the next thing you are going to do, you will come right here to where it says Earn. Okay, come right here to where it says Earn. Once you come right here to where it says Earn, you are going to be seeing we have a lot of options right here, and the one we are going for is this one that says new user exclusive. Okay, as you can see, new user exclusive, that is what you can see right here, and you are going to click on where it says invest now. Okay, once you click on this invest now, you are going to see all the necessary information that you need to know about this particular daily reward on Bybit. So right here you see we have what says flexible. Okay, we have this one right here that says 555% in 2 days, and we have this one right here that says 300%, as you can see right here, in 1 day. So the one we are going for is this one that says 555% in 2 days. That is what we are going for. So just click on this one right here. Okay, so once you select this option, you are going to see when you are going for this option, you can be doing from $1 from $1 to 200 USDT. That is what you can do right here. So you can do this with $100 to 200 USD. If I come right here and click on this area that says mass, okay, if I click on this mass right here, you are going to see what is going to be telling me. So I click on mass right here, and the mass is on 200 USD. Despite that I have more than 200 USD in this my particular account, this is 234 USD, and right here I'm only allowed to trade with 200 USD. And as you can see, this is going to end any moment from now. We are having 979,000 USD left. That is what you can see right here. So immediately this particular figure reaches down to 0, it means this opportunity will no longer be available. So when you see this video right now, you can take an advantage of this and jump on this immediately. Okay, so once you are done, you are going to come right here to where it says invest. Okay, come right here to where it says invest. So this is only going to last for 2 days. As you can see, it's going to last for 2 days. That is what they say right here. So it means if I invest $200, I'm going to be getting 6.0821 for myself just within 2 days. Okay, so after this elapses within 2 days and this particular amount right here is still available, maybe I can always come back again to come and reinvest. But I don't know yet if they will allow me to go for this particular staking again after the 2 days elapses. Okay, I don't know. But even if that did not work, we still have much more option that we can use to keep on earning on daily basis right on Bybit. So in my next video, I will give you more option you can be using to earn daily income on Bybit even without having to trade at all. While you are sleeping, this morning is going to be dropping in your account in every 1 hour, and on daily basis you can decide to withdraw this earning, and anytime you want to terminate this, you can always terminate it and withdraw all your funds. Nobody is actually holding your fund. Okay, so right now the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on this area that says invest now. And to do that, I'll just click on invest right here and I'll click on stake now. Okay, click on invest, then click on stake now, right? So as you can see, invested successfully, and we are going to be seeing the narration of my investment right here. It says investment time, that is what you can see right here, July 7th, 30th, and it says redemption time, that is what you can see right here, 2025-08-01, that is August 1. Okay, so this is how this staking works on Bybit, and this is how you can be earning daily income on Bybit even without you having to trade. And while you are even sleeping, they are still going to be remitting your reward into your Bybit account for yourself, and you can withdraw it on daily basis or terminate it anytime you wish. So guys, this is what I have for you right on this update. If you think this video has really made sense to you in one way or the other, like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell. Remember, the bull run is getting closer day by day, and I've made some loaded playlists for you that is going to help you even as a beginner to get started right in the upcoming bull run. Use the link right on this video description to see all my playlists that is related to best crypto coin to buy while we wait for the bull run. And right here, see this my video right here on this app that pays me on daily basis just by using my smartphone. And again, see this video right here if you want to learn how to trade arbitrage, working arbitrage in the year 2025. I'm going to see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.